understand is...
What we don't understand is... This piece of cloth can cause so much hatred, controversy, friction.
Squabble.
Talking about it. In fact, everybody wants to ban it. But why? Is it because they think that the Muslim woman is oppressed? But I can speak perfectly fine.
They think we need to be liberated, be free.
They want us to be like the Western women. Local symbol of femininity. What? High heels? Lipstick? Short skirts?
Rate you?
Is it because we dress the same?
Or because we look the same?
Muslim woman means so much more than just her physical appearance.
Defined by the way we dress.
I want you to judge me by my intellect, not by how short my skirt is.
Forced to wear it. Husband forced me to.
I'm not even married.
Or my father forced me to. I wear it solely because God tells us to, and we want to please Him.
We are subservient to God and not to the trends of fashion or society. You say we're forced, but yet you force us to take it off.
Because you think it's a communication barrier.
Well, what does communication really mean? According to the Oxford Dictionary, it could either mean 1. The imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, writing or using some other medium. Or 2. The means of sending or receiving information such as telephone lines or computer.
How exactly does the Naqab prevent this?
Let's test it out. Testing, testing. We hear you loud and clear.
See, when you're speaking to somebody, you don't have to see their face.
Just like when you're speaking on the phone, you can't see them. So really, if you want to ban the niqab, you should start with the mobile phones first.
Because of the way we interact with men.
Or don't interact with men. God tells us to maintain a boundary with the opposite gender. This is to prevent any form of promiscuity from either side. Are ordered to lower the gaze and we are ordered to cover.
Besides, I don't want to be just another rape statistic.
Because we challenge the norms of society, we decide to stay covered whilst everybody else wants to uncover.
We live in a society where the biggest industry is pornography and still increasing.
Woman is slowly decreasing. Western woman is seen as merely a sex object, like selling a car
or even selling a chocolate bar.
Enough discussion. I think it's time for us to tell you about the niqab.
This piece of cloth that you call it,
it protects me. It tells me my body belongs to me, nobody else.
Nobody can tell me how to dress, what to say, how to look.
Apart from God, is true liberation. Liberated from the dictates of fashion and society. True freedom, being free from the submissions of man's desires.
This is true femininity, because we preserve our beauty rather than being exploited for it.
The symbol of oppression is not the Muslim woman, it is in fact the Western woman. Present to you, Islam. We want to give you the solution for a society that is spiraling backwards.
Islam is in fact the religion to take this society forwards.
To restore the much needed honour, dignity and respect. Not to just women, but men too. In fact, all of mankind.
And so to conclude,
it's time for you and I